How to make money with OfferVault CPA marketing platform. Hey guys, and welcome to this video where I show you how to make money with OfferVault step by step. I'll explain for people who don't know what OfferVault is and how to use it. Also understanding how OfferVault simplifies the process of searching for affiliate offers by centralizing them in what platform. So, moving to the definition of OfferVault, OfferVault is an affiliate marketing tool that can help you find affiliates and cost per action, I mean CPA offers. And also, it's a search engine that scouts over plus 60 networks. And it's a tool for affiliate marketers and bloggers that are looking for and campaign that they can promote. So come on, guys, let's take a look at the website to understand more. So here we have the website, offervault.com. You'll have here on the top of the website, login, register, advertise, add your network, help, and free training. For the advertise and add your network, if you wanna add an offer on OfferVault, you just click on advertising, or if you wanna add your network. And for free training, it leads you to a YouTube channel of the OfferVault website. So this homepage, as you can see, there is a lot of offers and the commission you'll get for each sale. And here we have the countries, if the offer is targeted to a specific country, and finally the network providing this offer. You have here a search bar if you want to search for a specific product or network, and besides you can specify the results obtained through the filters that mean identify the offers from a specific network here or a specific one in categories, or you can just select the country to know if the offer is working in your country. For example, I will select as an example China, and as you can see, offers will appear. Now, moving to how to sign up on the website, you can just click here on register located at the top of homepage as I mentioned before. Then you'll here fill out these fields. You'll have here first name, the last name, email, password, and you confirm your password. Then you select the country and you escape. If you have a escape account, you can write it here. If you don't have it, it's okay, you can submit without it. So returning to the offers, precisely choose the offer you want to promote. To more understand, for example, I will choose a specific category or a specific network. You can choose the both or the three of it for the filters. So for example, I will choose a specific category. For example, I will choose here email, submit other categories. Then as you can see, every single offer you have here is full of information for you to access that one help you to select or evaluate to the one suits you more, and the network will ask you to sign up. You're not exactly signing OfferVault, you're just signing in this particular network over here, which then allows you to do the job. Now, aside of that, there is also another stuff related to the offers. There is here affiliate networks and pay per call action and mobile offers, traffic sources, As you can see, we have a lot of information, the name of the offers and the types, mobile targeting if it's retargeting or not, self-serve if it's self-serve or not. So here's a lot of information related to the offers that can help you to choose which one more suits you. So returning to the offers, as we say that we choose email submit, so we'll choose the first one. For example, um, first offer, as you can see here, is the title or the name of the offers and offer details. There is here the offer name and the payout and the preview and the categories. As you see, preview is a preview landing page, so we can just click over here and have the landing page. And then we have here network and last update and countries, and here we have the run offer if you wanna just get the job. Before we start knowing how to sign up, we'll go to landing page just to let you know how it is. So this is the landing page. Moving to how to sign up on and how to get this job, you will just click here, run offer, and then you will have the page of website, and then just need to fill out your first name, last name, email, and email confirmation, and then phone number, then your company, your legal entity type, and company individual website name, and the website social media, and then your address, your first address, your apartment and city, postal code, your country. You need to select here your country and your byline. Here we have tax ID or VAT or SSN, and then here we have promotional information. If you have promotional information, for example, promotional method, countries, property type, URL, and then here we have the additional information. If you can provide your LinkedIn URL, or Skype username, or just to answer the question, and then you apply for the job. So just to let you know that when someone completes a specific cost per action, and like for example submitting an email, phone number, someone completes using your link as your page, for example, or coming from your traffic, you'll then end up making money. And that's how basically CPA marketing works. But how do we attract the largest number of customers? The way you present the product is what attracts your customers. For example, if you have an important number of followers in social media, that will help you to reach out to your customers. If you don't have that, you can just use Google Ads campaign marketing using Pinterest for finding pictures of product and ChatGPT to describe your product. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.